Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on other security settings, and as you can see here, we've got a whole credential storage section, and at the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option. So simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, we can't tap on clear credentials option again. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.